Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and if you're new here, hello, welcome. Today we are continuing on our 30 days of beauty. I have missed the last couple of days. I've been at work. It's been one of them, okay? So I'm gonna do days, let me see. I'm going to do days 19, 20 and 21 all in this video. I'm only combining them because they're going to be very, very short. So one of them, 19, is blush, 20 is concealer, and 21 is favourite nail polish. If you are new here, I highly recommend that you subscribe to my channel, and let's first talk blush. My blush selection is pretty minimal. I don't have many at all. I have this one, which is the Too Faced Sweethearts Perfect Flush Blush. And it's just one of those. It is a shimmery blush. I do like that one. It can go on quite strong, so you've got to be careful. I also have this one. This is a MAC blush. It's a two pack. It's a highlighter and blush. It's from the Nutcracker Sweets collection. And this is in Tutu, which is the highlighter, and then At Dusk. So this is more of a dusky pink shade. And I do enjoy that one. I've used that quite a lot. I love that highlighter as well. It's just amazing. This one is a Wet n Wild one. I hate trying to open the Wet n Wild. Oh no, it's opened perfectly fine. This is the Wet n Wild one. Let me just get that brush out. And it looks like this. And this is in the shade Rose Champagne. I nearly said it was under the shade Protection. I have this one and I have never used it. Oh, maybe I have used it. This is the Bella Paris Cosmetics, and it's like a cream blush. It's a very pink one. It's called Coral. Oh no, that's why I have used it. It's a cheek and a lip stain, and I think I've only ever used it on my lips. Has actually done nothing. This one, I love this one. You've seen me use this loads of times if you've seen some of my earlier videos. And this is the Bourjois Golden Rose blush, and this is a, oh god, it smells, I wish you could sniff it. It smells amazing. It is the nicest smelling blush I've ever smelt in my entire life. And that again is like a pinky colour with a shimmery, like a shimmery gold. This is the Bare Minerals. And this is obviously a mineral blush. I can't really tilt it. And that is like a dusky pink shade. I do use quite a lot of that. I've only just started using that one actually. And it is very nice. I also have the Benefit. It's like a liquid, it's a cheek and lip stain, and I cannot say that I've actually ever used it on my cheeks. That smells pretty good as well actually. It does smell like roses. Just put some of that on. I feel like I'm wasting it really because I've not used it. And then I have this. This is the Morphe HW Warm Master Blush Palette. And I bought this mainly because I wanted an orange. I want a really nice orange, but I can't find one. This one, I love this colour. It's very deep, but it's, you just, you know, it doesn't go on that deep. I always find that blushes are very intimidating looking when they are that bright looking or dark, and you're just a little bit unsure of how you're going to look, if you're going to look like a clown or anything. But generally it works out, just little by little, just work it up build it up. So I mainly use this one. I've used this one a few times, and I like Babe as well if I fancy more of a shimmery. Other than that, I mainly use eyeshadows as my blushes. If you need a different colour blush, which you don't have, don't go out and buy it, just use your eyeshadow. On to concealer. So you've seen me 100 million times most probably. I use concealer a lot of the time. I use concealer more than I use foundation. I just use the concealer in the areas that I need. I don't feel, especially in this weather as well, it's baking here at the moment. It's beautiful, definitely not moaning, but I don't feel that I need to use foundation all over my face when I can just use concealer and tap it out in under my eyes and to cover any redness or blemishes that I might have. So I just literally, I put a little bit too much on. I always do that when I'm filming. I always end up putting more on, not more on, more on than what I normally do. So that's all I do. Sorry, because I just blend it out. I usually pop it just in that area here, and it's done. That's it. And then I'll just put a little bit of powder to set it under my eyes, and that's it. It is done. It's made my lips look really red now. Let me set that. And then I will just go in with a little bit of bronzer, my blush. Let me get my blush brush. This is the Bourjois one. And I will literally, wow, went in a little too hard then. I forget that sometimes they pick up a lot and sometimes you have to build it up. That one is definitely, there we go, a little bit across my nose. Blend that up. And that is my blush and concealer. Done. Pop a little bit of bronzer on. And for today's challenge, it is a favourite nail polish. So this bad boy here is all full of gel polishes. I have a massive box full of normal polishes, and I also have this bag that is full of my gel polishes, and we are full. So I have 3 compartments and they are full like that of gel polishes. I love gel polish. I mostly gel polish my fingers and toes a lot of the time. I don't often use normal nail polish anymore. Very rarely, unless it's just a quick spur of the moment thing and I don't have time to sit down and do it. On this hand, look, my nails look so janky now. On this hand, I had used the CND Shellac Mint Convertible, which is that one. And on this hand, which is the pink, I had used this one, which is the OPI Gel Colour Mod About You, which is this one here. The majority of my polishes I have are where is it? IBD gel polish. I've got OPI, as I just showed you. I've got Chroma Gel, which are these ones. These are great. They come as you can see, you can buy them in tiny little ones. So I brought a load to try, and I haven't really used them that much, but they're good to try them and decide whether you like the formula or not. They're okay. They are supposed to be a gel that you swipe on. They're supposed to be a gel that you paint on. You don't need a base coat, you don't need a top coat. I still put a top coat on because I like that shiny, smooth finish. I've also got Blue Sky ones. They came out with like a professional range like those. I've got a few of those as well. As far as my favourite, I don't know. It's probably, my favourite colour is probably these kind of things, like a minty colour. Minty colours, or like this pinky colour. And then I love to, look at that one's a nice colour, like a nudie colours. It really all depends how I'm feeling and what season it is, basically. Like these, very summery colours. I also like to put holographic glitters over the top. I've got holographic and mermaid glitters. They go so nicely on top of any colour nail varnish, and it just adds that sparkle. And I also like to do different designs on my nails. I'm not much for popping on bling, as in like charms or anything, because I always find that they ping off and they drive me mad. So I would much rather use the gel polish to also do little patterns and everything. So I think, yeah, I think my favourite colour for the summer is like a minty colour. I like nice minty, bright and pinks and things like that. Winter time, I like the dark burgundies and blacks. So yeah, that is about it. Those are my nail, I'm going to cover those over because it's very hot today. The sun is shining and I don't want my nail varnishes to go hard and set in the sun. So those are the last 3 days and today challenges. So that was 19, 20 and 21. Let me know what your favourite nail varnish colour is, especially for the summer. I want to know, and I need some kind of inspiration of what colour I'm going to do my nails next. I always do my nails one hand one colour, one hand the other, just because I can't ever decide on just one colour. So I end up doing them 2 different colours all the time. Why not? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all tomorrow for the next one. Bye!